Hi, this is Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell button for all of our upcoming videos. Today we'll be replacing the media drive in your Panasonic Toughbook CF53. Now flip the computer over. You want to open this center cover plate here. There's only one screw to remove. Now there's a small screw here that you also have to remove. This holds the actual media drive into the unit. Once that's removed, you can take your screwdriver and press it against the media drive. After a couple pushes, you should be able to pull it out with your hands. So this media drive is fine, so I'll put that right back. Slide right back in. And it's as simple as putting the screws back. And you're all done. Thank you for watching. Any questions or comments you can leave below.